Welcome back, children. This is Vedugopal for Little Hearts Publications. We stopped this lesson in the previous class about how Saudi Arabia became one of the richest countries, how it can compete with the richest countries in terms of roads, modern communications, skyscrapers, multi-speciality, modern hospitals. All this is because of a great deal of wealth in the form of oil, petroleum oil, which the country of Saudi Arabia exports to different parts of the world and earns a lot of money. What is Saudi Arabia currency known as? You know, the currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. This is the currency of Saudi Arabia. Riyals. A lot of money is generated out of exports of petroleum products from Saudi Arabia. Of course, let us know about important cities in Saudi Arabia now. Important cities. We have already learned that Saudi Arabia is the country where the holiest shrines of Muslims are located. They are Mecca and Medina. There are other important cities also. Riyadh, the capital city of Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Mecca, Dammam, Medina, Taif, Burayada and Abha are some of the important cities of Saudi Arabia. You can see the capital city of Riyadh. You can see that there in the picture. Children, it is such a wonderful city which can compete against any other city, the other cities in the richest countries of the world. Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. And other cities, other important cities in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Mecca, Dammam, Medina, Taif, Burayada and Abha. These are some other important cities of Saudi Arabia. Changes in life of the people. Of course, over the years, there is a lot of change in the life of people there in Saudi Arabia. The rapid advancement of science and technology has improved the life of people in this region. Rapid means what? Very quick. Very quick advancement means what? Development. Very quick development made by Saudi Arabia in science and technology has improved the life of people in this region. Salt water is made usable for drinking purposes through desalination. But generally Saudi Arabia, as I told you, is a peninsula. Means on all its three sides, Saudi Arabia has got seas or oceans. And you see, water in the sea or ocean is generally very salty. You cannot drink it. But even that water also, even salt water also, is converted into useful drinking water purposes through a process called desalination. Desalination is a process by which salt water is converted into normal water for drinking purposes. Okay, children? Desalination, that process is known as. Even though the rainfall is scanty, means very less, the rainfall in desert region, as I told you, is very less. Because Saudi Arabia is also a desert region, the rainfall is very less. New methods are being followed to raise crops, vegetables and fruits. So, the Saudi Arabian people and the government have developed new methods to raise crops, to grow vegetables, to grow fruits. They have developed new methods, new technologies. There has recently been a rapid industrialization in Saudi Arabia. Industrialization means what? Development of industries, setting up of industries. Recently, Saudi Arabia has seen a very, very rapid, very quick industrialization. Petroleum, fertilizers, iron and steel, gas and plastics are the major industries developed here. Petroleum industry, fertilizers, fertilizers are used for killing the pesticides in fields. They are called fertilizers. Fertilizers industry, iron and steel industry, gas industry, and the plastics industry are the major industries developed in Saudi Arabia. Very important sources of income for Saudi Arabia, these industries. Mining and food processing industries are also being developed here. Mining means digging the ground and getting mines, sorry, minerals. Digging the mines and getting the minerals out, it is called mining. Mining and food processing industries are also being developed here in Saudi Arabia. Mining industry and food processing industries. With vast resources of petrol and rapid industrialization, Saudi Arabia today is one of the richest countries in the world. How Saudi Arabia has become one of the richest countries in the world? Because of its vast resources of petrol and also rapid industrialization. Means rapid development of industries in that country, and the most vast resources, natural resources of petroleum products made Saudi Arabia one of the richest countries in the world today. You understand, children? This is about Saudi Arabia. Let us recollect what we have discussed in this lesson before we go into the task for summative assessment. Okay, let us recollect what we have learnt from this lesson. Deserts are large areas of land covered with sand. We have already discussed this. What is a desert? Desert is a large area of land covered with sand. Deserts have extreme hot and cold climatic conditions. What kind of climatic conditions do you find in desert regions, children? They have extremely hot or extremely cold climatic conditions. Saudi Arabia is located between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Where is Saudi Arabia located? Between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Vegetation is almost nil in the desert region because of extreme heat and scanty rainfall. Why there is no vegetation in Saudi Arabia? Means why there is no growth of plants or trees in Saudi Arabia? Because of two factors: extremely hot climate and lack of rainfall, lack of water. These are the reasons why vegetation is almost nil, almost zero in the desert region. The people of Saudi Arabia are followers of Islam. Means the people of Saudi Arabia follow the Islamic religion. The most sacred shrines of the Muslims, the Mecca and the Medina, are located in Saudi Arabia. The most sacred means the most holy, the holiest shrines. Shrines means places of worship. The holiest shrines are places of worship of the Muslims. The Mecca and the Medina are located in the country of Saudi Arabia only. Saudi Arabia has abundant oil resources. Abundant means very large, extremely large. Means a lot of oil resources are there in Saudi Arabia. So, it is popularly known as the land of liquid gold. What is called liquid gold? Petrol. Because petrol is available in large quantities in Saudi Arabia, it is popularly known as the land of liquid gold. These are the things that we have learnt from this lesson. In brief, we have learnt that. Now let us go to the task for summative assessment, children. Let us discuss first the questions. In the A bit, we have got some questions. Answer the following questions. What are deserts? Deserts are large areas of land covered with sand. Like that you have tried the answer. You can read through the lesson and can answer these questions. Of course, we will be sending you the key for all these exercises through WhatsApp. There is no need to bother about that. But we are discussing the questions now so that you can have an idea about how to write the answers. What are deserts? Deserts are large areas of land covered with sand. Question number 2. Describe the climatic conditions in a desert. Desert regions generally have hot climates. Okay. The temperatures are high during the daytime and cool and pleasant in the nights. In winter, days are warm but nights are cold. So that is the coastal areas. That is what is the answer for this question, the climatic conditions in a desert. Question number 3, where is Saudi Arabia located? Saudi Arabia is located between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. What are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia? Yemen, Oman, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, Iraq and Jordan are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. How is the climate of Saudi Arabia? Climate of Saudi Arabia is generally extremely hot because it is a desert region. Okay, in summer, day temperatures are high, nights are cool and pleasant. But in winter, days are warm, but nights are extremely cold. These are the climatic conditions of Saudi Arabia. Question number 5, what are the trees and plants grown in Saudi Arabia? We have not many, the date palms, thorny bushes and cacti are the main trees or plants grown in Saudi Arabia. Question number 6, write about the importance of shrines of Mecca and Medina for the Muslims. The most sacred shrines of the Muslims, the Mecca and the Medina, are located in Saudi Arabia. Muslims from different parts of the world go on a pilgrimage to these holy shrines at least once in a lifetime. The pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina is popularly known as the Hajj. This is the answer for the question. Question number 7, why is Saudi Arabia called the land of liquid gold? Liquid gold means petrol. Because petrol is available in large quantities in Saudi Arabia, it is popularly known as the land of liquid gold. That's how we have to write the answer. Question number 8, describe the developments taking place in Saudi Arabia recently. What are the developments taking place in Saudi Arabia? There has recently been a rapid industrialization in Saudi Arabia. Petroleum, fertilizers, iron and steel, gas and plastics are the major industries developed here. Mining and food processing industries are also being developed. These are the latest developments taking place in Saudi Arabia recently. In the B bit, children, there are some blanks. We have to find out the words from the lesson to fill in the blanks there, okay? Desert regions have dash rainfall, scanty rainfall. In the blanks we have to write scanty rainfall. Scanty means very less. In the blanks, first blank is scanty, means very less. Let us see the second blank. In deserts, water is available only in oases. In desert region, generally, water is available in oases only, not everywhere. Number 3, the hills of sand formed during sandstorms are called sand dunes. The third blank. The hills of sand formed during sandstorms are called sand dunes. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins. Bedouins. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins. Number 5. The holy pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina is known as the Hajj. Hajj pilgrimage means the visiting of holiest shrines of Muslims, Mecca and Medina, is known as the Hajj. In C, write T for true statements and F for false statements. Number 1, deserts are largely uninhabited. Uninhabited means what? Not having any population. Not habituated by people or animals. So that is true. Number 2, the land in Saudi Arabia is mostly plain. No, it's hilly. The land in Saudi Arabia is hilly. That is why second one is false. F you have tried there in the brackets. Number 3, desert regions generally have cold climates. Not correct. False. Desert regions generally have very hot climates. Number 4, hill stations are generally cool in summers. This is true, of course. Hill stations are generally cool in summers. Number 5, most of the people of Saudi Arabia are nomads. True, that is also true. In D, match the following. First C, we write true. Then second one is false. Third one is false. Fourth one true. Fifth one also true. Now let us see, match the following exercise. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. So we have tried C for the first blank in the match the following. Bedouins. Who are Bedouins? Nomads of Saudi Arabia. E you have tried there. Number 3, Hajj. Pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina. Fourth one, petrol is also known as liquid gold. A. Desalination, process of removing salt from seawater. So these are the answers for match the following exercise. Okay, children? With that we come to the end of the lesson. The key for all the questions and other exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Children, thank you.